me and Chris got the chicken houses taken care of, so we got home. I mean, it's just gotta get this cleaned up. If we don't, then it's gonna be eaten up. So we're putting this aftermarket bumper on his truck since we're taking off the hottest week of the month. And he bought this bumper for 600 bucks. It's got a winch plate and some lighting. Well, it's for this Dodge 4th gen. So it's got these little brackets. We watched a video because we was having problems. Here's that little bracket piece. Remember the this was on this side, so when you take it out, it gets stuck right here. So you couldn't get the whole bolt out, so we just cut it. So we're gonna take these out and took the little brackets off over there. This is like, I think it's this way. That's what we took off. Now we're cutting the other side. $53 worth of hardware here, grade 8. While Chris was cutting the rest of the bolts off. You spend $7 grand, and then you got your easy front bumper installer. So we got it close. So we had to do some rigging on some of the chains I had for when I mechanicked. So we got it close. Took everything off. So now we're just going to try to work it and get as close as we can without puncturing something. So we're awful close. Get us a couple bolts here, and then the rest of it should be on us.
Oh,
got it on.
Sucking horse. I don't know if I can get this back one on.
It's got a little gap, but we ain't worried about it. Ouch. Got my finger stuck in that. We're just gonna use it. We'll get that bottom bolt in a second. I'll show you how to do it. We use the old Mini. Use the hitch piece and use the chain holes to wrap around there, which is scuffed up, but we ain't worried about it. I bought this Dodge. It's a 1999 Dodge D350 or 3500, 24 valve. It's got exhaust brake and a fuel system put on it. And then me and Chris got the flywheel out, clutch shredded. So this was the failure, was the pilot bearing. Hopefully I didn't do too much damage. We got the, it's kind of hard to see, right here. I used the Sawzall to cut this because I didn't have anything to cut that. So that's what we did, just cut it. Then it's got hot spots in it. You can see right here, just all these little spots, and then heat cracks are right here. So it's kind of hard to tell. So we used a hammer, punch, tried to use a socket to push it out, but it didn't work out great. So it's like 90, mid 90s. So it's hot. We can do whatever we gotta do. Freaking hot, ain't it, Chris? Clutch is absolutely shredded. As soon as it fell out, none of that. It had stuff like this back behind it, so pretty sure the rear main seal is leaking because of it. I mean, that's just piled behind it, so hopefully it didn't hurt the rear structure. So if I can get this out of here. Yeah. So this is the damage, absolutely shredded. Let's see, it did come out a while ago. Yeah. Yep. Absolutely shredded. And then this got super hot. I think this truck's got...
Bought it that way. We didn't do it.
Yeah, we bought it that way. We did not do that. So the truck's got 391,000 miles on it. So this is probably the second, third one, because me and Chris was taking stuff off, and stuff was like 4 different bolt sizes. So when people wonder why when you buy something you can't put something back. But so hopefully this didn't do too much damage to the flywheel and in the rear structure, because the transmission, yeah, there it is, as far as it's going back. So that way we can slide it back on there very, very easily like. But I'm gonna try to get in there and get everything prepped for a rear main. So here's the truck. It's pretty nice. It's dirty. I mean, for 391,000 miles, it's pretty nice.